Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today we are going to look at one of my favourite ways of learning and teaching a language, and that is through reading. So together we are going to look at a short paragraph from a very famous book, and we are going to practice with pronunciation, vocabulary and expressions from this paragraph to help you build your English vocabulary. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal, thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious, because they just didn't hold with such nonsense. The first thing that we can notice here is that there are a number of adjectives that are being used to describe the Dursleys. So there are 4 adjectives here: proud, normal, strange, and mysterious. So if we look at normal, you will see that it says they were perfectly normal, perfectly normal. So in this case, perfectly is used to intensify the adjective normal. It's like using the word completely. So we could say that something is perfectly safe, or the instructions were perfectly clear. So this just intensifies the adjective. In the next sentence, there is an expression that is, they were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious. So we can use this expression and adapt it to other situations. For example, this is the last place I'd expect to find a cafe. Or he is the last person I'd expect to turn up at the party. We use this to talk about situations that are very unlikely. We also have in this sentence the expression to be involved in. So another way of saying this might be to be connected with something, like she is involved in charity work, for example. And in the last sentence, it says they just didn't hold with such nonsense. So when we say that somebody just doesn't hold with something, it's like an older way of saying that people don't approve of or believe in something. For example, he just doesn't hold with gossip. The last thing from a language perspective that we're going to look at is such. So remember that such is used with nouns. So here we have such nonsense. Can you read it with me very slowly? Let's go. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal, thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious, because they just didn't hold with such nonsense. Thank you for reading along with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you would like more videos like this in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.